Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about running Google Compute GAM on Google Compute Engine securely. Google Compute Engine offers a powerful and flexible platform for running a wide range of applications and services in the cloud. Introduction: the role of Google Compute Engine and GAM. Google Compute Engine is a versatile cloud infrastructure that empowers organizations to run a wide array of applications and services efficiently. Managing your Google Workspace environment is essential for many businesses. Google Apps Manager is a valuable tool that can assist with these tasks. Understanding Google Compute Engine powerful cloud infrastructure. Google Compute Engine is a part of Google Cloud and provides scalable and high performance virtual machines for various computing needs. Google Compute Engine offers flexibility, allowing users to deploy applications, websites, and services while benefiting from Google robust infrastructure. Introducing Google App Managers, a command line tool for Google Workspace. Google Apps Managers, commonly known as GAM, is a command line tool for administrators that allows them to manage various aspects of their Google Workspace environment. Google Apps Manager can perform tasks like user and group management, email management, and more. It simplifies administrative tasks and can be a game changer for organizations using Google Workspace. The benefits of running Google Apps Managers on Google Compute Engine: efficiency and scalability. Running Google App Managers on Google Compute Engine offers several advantages. Scalability: Google Compute Engine allows you to adjust the number and power of virtual machines as needed to accommodate your organization growing needs. Efficiency: Google Apps Manager can be scheduled to automate repetitive tasks, saving time and resource management. Google Compute Engine provides tools for monitoring and managing resource, optimizing cost and performance. Running Google Apps Manager on Google Compute Engine secure access controls, identity and access management.